Keep your home cool, comfortable, and energy efficient with professional AC tune-up services from PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Reading, Pennsylvania. Our experienced HVAC technicians provide thorough inspections and precision tune-ups designed to keep your AC unit operating at peak performance throughout the hottest months of the year. If you have any questions, please contact our AC tune-up team. Are you looking for an AC tune-up near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Why is an AC tune-up important? Regular AC tune-ups help improve energy efficiency, lower utility bills, prevent unexpected breakdowns, and extend the lifespan of your air conditioning system. Maintenance also helps ensure your home stays comfortable during hot weather. Is an AC tune-up necessary for newer systems? Yes. Even newer systems benefit from regular maintenance. Annual tune-ups help maintain efficiency, support warranty requirements, and keep the system operating properly. What is your service area for the Reading, Pennsylvania service office? Our AC tune-up have served Reading, Leesport, Garfield, Burnville, North Heidelberg, Brownsville, Robisonia, Wernersville, Mountain, Temple, Laureldale, Penside, Rifton, Shillington, Baumstown, Birdsboro, Scarletts Mill, Plowville, Reinholds, Swartsville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Reading, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 400 Washington Street, number 109, Reading, Pennsylvania 19601. Our phone number is 610-672-3044. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-reading.